foundation should be an anti-inflammatory ketogenic diet that includes fresh vegetables, some nuts, some seeds, healthy fats, and some unprocessed animal products. But I'm also going to give you these 3 specific ingredients for fighting inflammation to become a fat-burning firefighter. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger root has been used by the Chinese and other nations for thousands of years. There are many medicinal compounds in ginger, but the most effective ones come from ginger rolls. They're highly potent antioxidants. Here are the health benefits of ginger. It improves digestion and nausea. It removes constipation and gastrointestinal stress. Ginger consumption reduces stroke and heart disease. And it also helps to absorb nutrients from food. Because of its anti-inflammatory effects, ginger will also fight some fungal infections inside your gut. And it's been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. Plus, it improves diabetes symptoms and lowers cholesterol levels.
You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man!
You can use ginger in many ways. You can slice it raw and add it to your meals. You can brew some ginger tea with it. You can use powdered ginger on your food and salads. Or you can use ginger essential oils.
Now tell me, where are the others?
Number 2. Turmeric. Curcumin or turmeric is the most common spice in curry and other Indian foods. It's one of the most potent anti-disease herbs in the world, with great medicinal and anti-inflammatory benefits. In addition to the same benefits as ginger, turmeric also improves your skin condition.
Feel how soft my skin is.
It can fix irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, and because of that it can help you to reduce weight. When ginger might have had this quite bitter or intense flavor, then turmeric has this delicious, spicy and savory taste. You can add turmeric to all of your main course meals and even to your salads. Or you can use it to create some tasty, delicious sauces. Throw in some egg yolks, some olive oil, some lemon juice, some avocados, turmeric, mix it all up, keto mayonnaise, there you go. Bonus tip, if you consume turmeric with black pepper, then you drastically increase your body's ability to absorb it. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine that slows down the liver from metabolizing curcumin too quickly. Piperine has also been shown to improve the bioavailability of other nutrients in both foods and supplements. Number 3. Cinnamon. I call these 3 ingredients the trifecta, the trinity force of anti-inflammation. Ginger, turmeric, and the last one is cinnamon.
Cinnamon? I'm allergic to cinnamon.
It combines both the sweet and spicy taste that creates an amazing and unique flavor. Cinnamon actually ranks as one of the most protective antioxidants in the world. It prevents cognitive decline and protects the brain.
Yeah, I think so.
It has a ton of polyphenols and flavonoids that fight oxidative stress and reduce symptoms of many diseases. Cinnamon is particularly great at regulating blood sugar and improving insulin sensitivity, and it fights infections and viruses. Cinnamon is great. You can use it for both salty foods and desserts as well. Even coffee, bone broth, or bacon.
Called bacon?
Yep, you heard it right. You should definitely try adding some cinnamon to your bacon.
I'll do it.
Doesn't matter if you oven cook it or if you fry it on your frying pan. You just add a sprinkle of cinnamon onto the bacon and it's delicious.
I have seen the face of God.
I usually consume 1 teaspoon of cinnamon before all of my meals to maintain stable blood sugar levels and insulin. And it's definitely gonna keep me in deeper ketosis.
Cinnamon.
But I'm going to share with you this recipe that's going to instantly reduce inflammation and bloating. It's also gonna boost fat burning and improve your energy. No caffeine required, just spice. 1 glass of hot water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 of lemon squeezed in the water, 1 teaspoon of ginger, turmeric and cinnamon each, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to promote the alkalinity and pH balance of your gut. You drink this, you reduce inflammation, and you're gonna feel amazing. Fix your constipation instantly. However, there's the thing that to absorb the micronutrients from these compounds, the ginger, turmeric and cinnamon, you actually need to be consuming them with some fats, because they're fat soluble.
You had the map to heaven and you never showed me the way.
To fix that, I would prefer to combine it with some bone broth, which is definitely gonna add in some more micronutrients and electrolytes. But if you don't want to use bone broth, then you can simply use some MCT oil, or sprinkle them on top of your eggs. or some meat. Both work as long as you consume them every day with some healthy fats. There you go. Remove your bloating, your inflammation, your brain fog, constipation. Remove it.